Umitirang ba ka Jylla Meghalaya konrad ke sangma ulong ba ka sarkar Jylla kan slide luit no nakapawa purchase agreement blaisoi ba ka National Thermal Power Corporation Limited NTPC house nam archa karwe dak ba pentip ba ka sarkar Jylla ka haban siew wala ka klempran kam ya ka boarding ha ka dor ka balai kut kumalai spa hadu south spa klur tingka umitirang ba ulong ba hadien bon tili ki mukudma hayeng ka sheri ka NTPC menta kala menjurupan ai no ya ka ba jongka Meghalaya shakwe pat ki Jylla ulong ba na ka prap riu megawatt bala ai ka Jylla Meghalaya san pun megawatt la aino shaka Jylla Tamil Nadu but kmilanti baki basa uns aishen shakwe pat ki Jylla.
So in the NTPC power purchase agreement, as you're aware, in 2011, this agreement was signed where Meghalaya government had to take power from NTPC, and if it did not take power, even then it had to pay for the set amount that was allotted to Meghalaya. We are very fortunate that after a lot of hard work and even some court cases, now NTPC has agreed and they are working towards reallocating the power to different states. So approximately 56 megawatts has been allotted to Tamil Nadu of the share of 86 that was total for Meghalaya, which means almost about 70% now Meghalaya government doesn't have to pay for it anymore. So now we are hopeful that very soon the rest of the 25-30 megawatts that's left, even that will be given to other states, and with that we will be completely free of this agreement that was signed many years back, because of which more than 300 to 400 crores Meghalaya government had to pay for not having used even a single unit of power. But that has now changed, and we are going to see that the power will be used by Tamil Nadu, and this agreement I think is already signed or will be signed in a few days, and hopefully the rest of the power also will be reallocated.